Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for attending this proposal seminar. Before introducing myself, my name is Maisaro as moderator. Today we will listen to a presentation from our friend Junita Alicia Putri. So Junita Alicia Putri, you have to start the presentation. Okay, thank you so much for the moderator. The honorable the participants today. Today, I am going to presentation about my proposal with the title "The Effect of Using Generative Method on Student Writing Skill of Project Text at Grade 11 Students of SMA Negeri 1 Ekran 2020-2024-2025 academic year." The background of this research is according to Jeremy and Harmer. Speaking and writing are considered cognitive skills because they require active language coordination. When learning a foreign language, particularly English, writing is a crucial skill. Writing provides an effective way to express our thoughts, feelings, and opinions to others. It is often emphasized in higher education, and students who struggle with writing skills may face challenges in communicating with teachers, peers, or others. According to the English curriculum for senior high school, students are taught 5 different types of text: report, recount, narrative, procedure, and descriptive text. Based on these statements, an interview on observation in SMA Negeri 1 Elbatu with English teacher, the research found many problems with student skills. Students struggle to recognize the text structure and to identify and determine the appropriate tenses for writing text. Students sometimes struggle with writing as a result of their poor language mastery. As a result, modifications to the teaching methodology are required to enable students to take a more active role in comprehending and developing their writing skills. The formulation of this research: is there any significant effect of using generative method on student writing skill of procedure text in class 11 SMA Negeri 1 Elbatu in 2024-2025 academic year? And the objective of this research is the study was to find out the end result of whether there is significant effect of using generative method on student writing skill of procedure text in class 11 SMA Negeri 1 Elbatu in 2024-2025 academic year. The first previous research is by Norfolk, Lidiana, and Sari 2023 from Faculty of Teacher Training and Education at Ahmad University with the title "The Effect of Using Generative Method on Student Writing Skill of Curriculum Text at Grade 11 of SMA Swasta Daerah Air Joman." The second previous research is by Prima Sari et al. 2021 from Balita Islamic University with the title "The Generative Method in Learning for Information Technology Faculty Students, the Effectiveness." The last previous research by Chandra Tias and Ria 2024 from General Sudirman University with the title "Using Generative Method to Improve the Student Skills in Writing Descriptions." according to Miraji with Adidas Top Kalorian PGA and Killing 2019, sample is a subset of people, things, or components chosen from a broader population. So the research make an inference about the group as a whole. The sample is used by researchers to draw population quality with statistical efficiency and accuracy because it is sometimes difficult or impossible to investigate every member of a community. The sample in this research is class Elder 1 and Elder 2 with a total 72 students. Technique of collecting data. In the study, both receive a pre-test and post-test. Students receive as initial test for the first time. Students will be given a final test after training. This test will be used to determine how far the temporary methods can give effects on student writing skills. Thank you, Yuta and Shafri, for your presentation. Next, we will enter the question and answer session. Please, students, if you want to provide question or feedback.
If you guys want to why if you choose this method?
Okay, thank you so much for the review one for the questions. Why I choose this method on my research? According on my based on my observation in SMA Negeri Sumber Batu, I found a lot of problem with writing skills of students. Many problems like students struggle to recognize the text structure and identify and determine the appropriate tenses for writing, like vocabulary, and and based on our experience in PLP, I want to make a new methodology in teaching English, so can improve students writing skill and improve their interest to learn English. What is the proper conclusion? Okay. I think the purpose, according to this research, the purpose of this research is to look how far the handwriting methods can improve the writing skills by